Common questions that we've received over the years involve, can I pee with a merkin on? The answer to that is yes. All of our materials we make with really nice textiles, and they're thin, and you can always clip it so that you're not covering your urethra. But a lot of it just all involves the positioning of how you're gonna wear it. Will it cover my butthole? Again, if you were to position it, really far back and only have just the very top of your vulva covered, then I guess it could cover your little O from Ohio. But it's all about the positioning with these things. Can I wear it to the beach without getting arrested? Well, that is up to you, my friends, to call your local PD and just learn your local laws if it is appropriate at your local beach or not. Can I have sex with a merkin on? Same as the can I pee with one on. It's all gonna depend on your positioning of the said item, and if you're covering your vagina, then I wouldn't have sex with it on. If you're not covering your vaginal entry, then go right on ahead and have sex. Can I wear it if I have piercings down under? Well, yes you can. We don't include nipple pads with our merkins because we don't have nipples on our on our vulvas. But what you can do is, if you were to have a piercing and you didn't want it to get stuck, is just put a little piece of tissue right where your piercing would be, and that would make for easier removal of your merkin. Does it hurt to remove? Well, this is made with the same material and medical grade adhesives as our Pastease line, and I'd say if Pastease hurt to remove up top, they might be a little bit sensitive down below. And likewise, if you don't have an issue with removal up top, you probably won't down below. Do you need to be shaved to wear one? Yes, please, you really do. I would not recommend using one of these in any situation if you have hair. Are they waterproof? Yes, all of our products at pastease.com are waterproof. Why do you include two if it's just for the bikini area and you only have one bikini area? Well, merkins, tend to be in a high friction area. And I know over the years when I've worn merkins, there has been instances where I have not needed the backup piece, and there's been instances I have. So we include a second one just to offer a sense of security. Just slip it into your purse, your clutch, whatever. If you don't need it, great, then you have one for another occasion. If you do, thank goodness you brought it. We also include two because some people will wear them as like a triangle top bikini. I think that's it for now. You can shop all of our merkins and all of their glory at pastease.com as always.